Make an outdoor adventure and camping gear website. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. For today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using squarespace.com platform. So let's get started. So let's click on the get started button, and here we can see a various templates. So we can choose one of these templates to build our website on it. So it makes the job easier for us. We can just select a template from those, and you can just add some logo and change some headlines and text, and it will be good to go. So here you have the blank template if you want to create your website from scratch. But for me, I love saving my time and I'm a little bit lazy, so I'm going to choose the one that already designed and just change some basic things and have my own website. So if you want to filter by the type, if it's an online store or memberships or so on, or if you want to do filter by topic, if your website is about fashion or local business or restaurants, you can filter that in here to make the searching for template easier. And for me, I'm just going to select this Crossbay template. I'm going to click on preview Crossbay to see the site. Click on demo site to see the website in full width. So this is how our website looks. I think this is a pretty decent website. I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to click on start with this design, and I will let them set things up for me. Then they will request me to give a title to my website. So I'm just going to give it the niche's name, because I don't want to get mixed between my websites. I make a lot of websites in this platform, so I want to keep my work organized. I advise you to do the same. Well, organized work is always better than the unorganized one. Then click on continue after writing your title, and click on close for closing these tabs. So in your left you have a variety of sections, so I'm going to explain each one of these sections. So I'm going to start with website. It's where you can add pages or adjust the ones that you already have, like the shop page, or if you want to delete that page, or if you want to adjust it, the our story, and a lot more. Let's go back home and let's move on to the other section, which is the commerce section. So in the commerce section you can manage your orders, your inventory, customers, discounts, and you can select more ways to sell, like memberships or custom merch, and you can add products to your inventory and add payments or the ways that you want to get paid. And also you can choose a subscription plan for your customers, and then you can publish the products that you need. Let's go back to home and let's move to the other section, which is marketing. And it's pretty obvious from the name that it's about growing your audience. So here you can set your email campaigns, your profiles, see your appearance, and you can also see your promotional pop-up and your announcement bar, and you can set your pixels and ads. Let's go back home and let's move on to the next section, which is scheduling. And this one is pretty much for the niches that requires setting meetings and appointments. So it's basically for the business models like psychiatrists and social media agencies and stuff like that. So here we wait for them to set things up. This section can be sometimes pretty laggy, so just be patient with it. So if we close this one will vanish and it will be right back now. So as I said, the scheduling part can be sometimes a little bit laggy, but it's okay anyways. Here you can create appointment types, set your availability, design your scheduling page, and share the scheduling page after designing it. Let's go back home, and here we have the asset library section where you can save your images and your logos and your files to use them when you are editing the website. And then we have the analytics when you can see your chart where you have your inventory or your orders and your conversion rate and all of that, but for now it's empty because we just created this website. Then we have the settings where you can adjust your domains or your Google workspace. Also you can change the site's availability from private to public, and also you can set your site languages. You can set as much languages as you want. Also you can give or set up the cookies and visitor data, and here you can also set your store's payments like PayPal accounts and your Stripe account, as you can see, or your Square account if you are from the United States. And you can also change the currency in this phase. And let's go back home and let's proceed to the editing phase. So here just click on edit, and this page will expand to give you more space to edit your template or your website. So as you see, it expanded. So here we can adjust a lot of things. So in your top right you have the desktop view and the mobile view. You have also the styles if you want to change the fonts, colors, and the animations. And here you will see the add section button if you want to add a new section. And here you have the add block if you want to add new block. And if you just click on the text, you can change it by just clicking on it. So you can add another text or change the color, change the width, make it look like a comma, change the background of the text. And in here you can edit the section, remove it. Even you can remove it if you don't find it good for you anymore. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to give you a short tutorial on how to use this platform. I hope I achieved my goal and I made things easier for you. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for support.